Hi guys, today video guys magluluto tayo ng makana curd. So, this is all the ingredients I have. Later, I will show you. Now we need to toast the makana. Makana with ghee. Put ghee here because it's hot already. Let's put ghee on the pan. And then put the makana and fry. Toast it in small pan. Hanggang sa ganito na siya. Yung nape-press na siya. Broken na siya. Now we need to use this. Tanggalin na natin ito. We need to use this pan. Oh. Ito na kana. Put the pomegranate. Okay. Coriander. Cumin. A little bit of chili powder. Cumin powder. Namak. Salt. To taste. And pepper. Then, and I need to put the curd. And then, I need to mix it. Instead of tomato, because I don't have baby tomato, I will change for pomegranate. Yeah, guys. Charan! This is makana curd. Thank you guys for watching.